Hey everybody, it's Bruce. In this video you get to see my television blow up after I've attempted to repair it. Enjoy. A few weeks ago my wife and I were watching some TV when suddenly our TV blew up. Well, it didn't really blow up, it just kind of like made a popping sound and some white smoke started pouring out the bottom. So a little bit after that I decided to go ahead and take the television apart to see if I could see what might be wrong with it, just out of chance. I'm not an electrician or anything like that, but I played with Arduino and made a couple circuits, so I know a tiny bit. So I looked at it, and one thing I could see is it looked like some of the capacitors had got puffy, and so I thought that might be the problem. I went on to some electrician's forum or something like that, and kind of told them about my story, and several people said, yeah, that could be the problem, probably is a problem, but it may not be the root of the problem. So anyway, I kind of learned a little bit about the capacitors, just looking at the numbers, and then went on eBay and I actually found almost exactly the same ones, different brand but same specifications, exactly the same size and everything, for about $8 shipped or something like that to my house. So I went ahead and purchased those, and like a couple weeks later they arrived, came from China, and so I went ahead and tried to install them. It was pretty easy to take the old ones out. I just heated up the solder and they pulled out. They did have some kind of weird plastic thing at the other end of them that was kind of capturing them, but it wasn't a big deal to get them out, as you can see right here in the video. So then I just soldered in the new ones, and that was pretty simple too. And at that point I was feeling pretty hopeful. I was thinking, okay, this might work. The old ones came out easy, the new ones went in easy, everything looks fine. So I went ahead and started the television up, and immediately I was worried because I could hear this little scratching sound, almost like a rodent, a mouse running or something in a wall. It was just kind of a strange sound, and I don't think a television like this should have any kind of mechanical sounds like that. It sounds like something is moving or whatever. And I also heard that sound before the other one blew up. Basically, like the day before, I heard some strange sound coming from behind the television. So anyway, so that sound started happening again right when I turned it on here. So right away I was pretty worried that it wasn't going to work. But anyway, it kept playing, and so I let it play. And well, you can see what happened next. There it goes.
Oh man! Dang!
There's something wrong with these thoughts of
Whoa!
having.
Okay, better.
Uh-oh. Holy cow. Open the door, quick!
There it goes.
Oh man! Dang!
Is there something wrong with these thoughts of having?
Whoa!
There. Yeah, this is exactly the same thing that happened the first time too, so I think it probably popped those 3 capacitors again, and there must be a reason why that it did that. Something must be causing them to blow up. I don't know what it is, and I'm not good enough in electronics to really diagnose and figure out what the root cause of it is. So at this point I'm probably just going to recycle this TV and get a new one. But I thought I would go ahead and share the video just so anybody else might get some value out of it. If nothing else, hopefully you enjoyed watching the smoke pouring out of the television. I thought that was kind of cool looking. Anyway, that's it. Talk to y'all later. Bye.